Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your anatomy and physiology final exam step by step. First, understand your exam's format and what content will be covered. Knowing if it's multiple choice, essay, or practical will guide your preparation. Next, create a realistic study schedule. Break down your material into manageable chunks and allocate specific times for each. Finally, use active recall methods like flashcards or self-quizzing to truly test your knowledge and improve retention. This approach ensures you're not just passively reading. Now, let's dive into some effective study techniques. Visual aids are incredibly helpful for anatomy. Use diagrams, anatomical models, or even draw structures yourself. Seeing the relationships between body parts makes a huge difference. Consider forming study groups with classmates. Discussing complex topics aloud and explaining concepts to others solidifies your understanding. Lastly, practice, practice, practice. Work through past exams or sample questions to familiarize yourself with the question styles and identify areas needing more attention. This builds confidence for the actual test. Quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. Your support means a lot. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing study music, setting timers, or even asking quick questions while you're reviewing. Check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. It's a fantastic addition to any study environment. Now, let's get back to the video. Mastering difficult concepts is key to acing your final. Don't try to learn everything at once. Instead, break down large topics into smaller, more digestible parts. This makes overwhelming material feel much more manageable. Focus on understanding the why behind physiological processes, rather than just rote memorization. When you grasp the function, the details become easier to remember. Regularly review challenging areas. Frequent exposure to tough concepts helps reinforce your learning and moves information from short-term to long-term memory. Consistency is crucial here.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.